Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in that wonderful little town of Belfair, Washington. Yes, it's Hickville, USA, people. It is. So welcome to my channel, everybody. This is November 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 8. It is finally warming up here in my stamp room. Oh, it's warmer in the kitchen because my hubby's cooking. Yes, he is. And little TT's huffing and puffing because she wants back in the house, but she's going to tough it out here. So this kit is called Wrapped in Cheer November 2025's kit. So we have 8 treat boxes and 8 beautiful, beautiful tags to go with them. Oh, I forgot about those beautiful bows. I could have brought those out for these. So today we're going to make some tags. We're going to do 4 tags. They're going to be quick ones. I've already got them clipped together. So this QR code here would lead you to a video that will show you how to put this kit together as it is designed. A visual of everything that comes in the kit. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Now videos 1 through 5, I always share with you everything that comes in the kit. After that we just kind of mosey along. This one down here would lead you to this set of 6 dies called the Abundant Joy dies. They will coordinate with October, November, and December's Paper Pumpkin kit, but feel free to use them for whatever you see fit. I sure will and do. So the stamps, we have Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, with love to, from our home to your, sending a little cheer, the wreath, and a gift for you, which is an oddball out if you ask my opinion. So some of you may not think that, but it is a little odd for me. So I'm going to flip this over. So I am using the Labeled with Love punch to stamp the to and from for the back of my tags. So I have 4 of them here before I show you everything else, because I was just sitting out here creating and I kind of lost track what my main purpose was, but we're going to roll with it anyways. And we're going to go ahead and use the to and from the kit today. I didn't think I'd really be using it, but I am. So we're going to do a little bit of stamping. Just a wee bit. So we're going to do to and from on all 4 of these little tags. And then these little tags are going to go on the backs of all of the tags that I create right now. And then we're going to use that beautiful wreath to do a little decorative borders on these. So I just need a little bit of it. So there. I can do this one down there, scoot those aside, here, here. They don't have to be in exactly the same places. Oh, I forgot to ask my hubby if he went to the Amazon Laka like he was supposed to for a friend. So we'll have to make sure that he did that. Otherwise, I'll be driving back downtown to go do that. So our stamping, check, done, that's it. So we have these ready to go. So I need to get these Paper Pumpkin videos done because we're going to have a wrapping party soon here, like in the next few days. So I'm not sure how many of my tags you're going to see. So let me lay these out here. This is using these 2 pieces from the kit. So this one has pieces from the kit. These others are just somewhat like the kit. Okay, so I'm using these tag dies the lovely Phyllis sent me a few years ago. I love these tags, love them. They're great, they layer up, but I'm just demonstrating how you can mix and match. I'm also using that wonderful, wonderful hybrid embossing folder that I'm looking for. May not be able to, hold on. The Christmas Word Collage Hybrid Embossing folder. That's what I was reaching for. And I have some Seasons Greetings, Happy Christmas, Noel. Oops, this one needs. We are going to stamp an element from the kit. So let's get this done. We are going to use, I know I'm stuck on the Merry Christmas. I just am, guys. Sorry. Sorry, I'm not sorry. I like Merry Christmas. So we're just going to stamp Merry Christmas as well. Now we're really done stamping. And now it's all about just putting these together. So here you can see we have this tag. So it's just going to say a multiple of tags. I'm just layering up tags. This one I did some embossing with those embossing folders. And I cut 2 tags, one in an envelope of all things that I had back here that didn't have a card base with it. And it's craft-like, but it's really thin. And this is from the Tidings of St. Nick. We're going to glue this to this, or rather, let's just use some tear tape. And not worry, this is a tag. They're going to tear it up, and then they're going to make me put it in the garbage can. So I am not like trying to be fancy like Applebee's, which Applebee's is so not fancy, right? But that's as good as it gets here in Hickville, USA, where I live in my little town, my little house, right? So we're gonna pop that over, put this here. I'm not even gonna put the tags, the string on them in this video. Oh, do we want the lighter? We're gonna go with the lighter shade. Why not? We can change our mind. So the lighter shade it is for this particular one. Why? Because we can, of course. That's why we do things. We do them because we can. Put that in the center here. And then our Merry Christmas now. This is where you can put all the embellishments your heart desires. It's going on a gift. It's not, well, mine are not going in the mail. So these are going on presents here at home. And this Merry Christmas is going to go, oops, right there. Now we'll do the final embellishments and all the bling bits in a minute. So there's one. Boom, tag, done. Next, we're using this long skinny tag from the kit. We're going to use Season's Greetings. We're going to use a couple elements. So from the kit, we're using these 2 elements. This tag, I made a circle, and from the same envelope that was floating around, it says Mr. Pen here, right? We're going to glue this down. So we just need glue in the center. Layering it up, right? So this one, I'm going to cut that off. Yeah, it bugs me. I know, I'm so weird, right? I forgot to close it, but I do want that off. It's going to look better. It's going to look natural. And then I'm going to glue my mistletoe, trying to stay in the center area of it. I'm going to put that here in the center of it. And then I have my Season's Greetings, which is here. And this is one of those ones I messed up on, but now it can go up on a dimensional or 2. Right through the center. And the bow, I think, is going to come up here for just a little bit of bling. And do I want, no, we're going to glue the bow down. Just a dot there. And it's going to go right there. So there's 2 tags, right? 2 tags down. Now these, I know these don't have elements of the kit, but they do have the wreaths, which are similar to the kit. So we have some DSP. This is the back of one of those add-on, hold on, North Pole sacks, right? Trying to do these quick, trying not to like take up all your day here. There we go. This is the cottage wreaths die with some DSP. Yes, you can use the DSP. If it's green, it will work. This was a little square piece, and I thought, oh, I can make a wreath out of that. We have Happy Christmas. Again, this was on something else that, oh, those cards I told you that I messed up so badly. Crafting it late at night for me, not my strong suit. Oh, that was so not my strong suit. That was so not good. So we are going to put some dimensionals on this one. And we have Happy Christmas, hopefully. in the center of this tag. That's number 3. Number 4, we have the two largest of those tags. Little bit of tear tape here. Tia, you will wait your turn because I am almost at the end here. This one I embossed with the Merry Christmas embossing folder I got at the thrift store. Layering those up. Now this was a piece of DSP as well. Green on the back, that doesn't go, so we flipped it over, used that really pretty gold in white. Stuck that in the center, and from the embossing folder again, that collage one, we're going to use Noel. Hopefully we can get these there. I think we may need a mini. Then we're going to glue down our parts that we can write on. So, trick now though is, right, if I glue these directly down to these, then it'll be difficult to write on. So, I'm going to try to be smart. We'll see if this works. I'm going to write on each of these to and from. So I know that I have a gift to Hank from Manji. That's me. That's that little seal there, right? And then I have a gift to, oh, my girlfriend Sherry. From Alice, so that's her gift, right? And then, oh, little Jissa. So I'm going to put Jissa. We'll just put Jissa from Russell. That's my hubby's name, if you ever were wondering, okay? Russell and Alice. And then, of course, to Justice. That's my girl's name. From Mom and Dad. And so now I'm going to glue these, or actually tape them to the back of these. And that way I don't have to worry about writing on them later. Just have to remember that I actually have tags for them. And then we're going to put some bling on these. And I think we're going to use the ones that they gave us in the kit. And perhaps I can use all of them on these 4 cards, and then they'll be all gone. Right? Oops. So this one, I'm going to put it down here at the bottom. So there's one. And I do know, I have an idea of what presents I want to put these on, but come time to put them on there, I just don't think that's going to matter at all. Except for this one, I know which present this is going to go on. This one, oops. This is going to go down here. And this one, so sophisticated for Mr. Hank, right? All right, so there we have all of our, oh, let's go ahead and put the bling on. Let me get it out of the box. Let me see if it's still in here. Stamps, sets. Yes, we're going to get this bling out. I can't, it's not really blingy. They're just accents, right? There's nothing blingy about these. There's no polish. they're not going to go on that one. We're just going to stick the one there. That will work. See what we can. I'm not going to use them all. There's just no way. So we're going to put one. They remind me of gumdrops. Ugh. Okay. So we're going to put one there. That's what they remind me of, gumdrops. One here. One here. So that one's done. This one, I have 3 on for this one. So we'll put one here. One here. And then one about there. So I have used those elements. Let's stick those back in there. And I'm going to go ahead and tie some twine on it. Like 11 inches. I've lost the scissors for the twine. Oh, here we go. There's one. I need 4 pieces. And there goes the twine onto the floor. That's what I was trying to avoid, but if I was smart, I would have picked it up and did it a different way, but that's all right. It's just twine from the hardware store that you use to, you know, tie up trees and stuff with. There's 4 pieces. Now these are such small holes here. These are going like so. Just gonna tie a knot like I like to. There's one. Oops. Let's try the other one to get it through these little holes. Two. Number 3, one more, and then I'll take TT and I'll go let her go back in the house and she can bother my hubby while he cooks. I know why he brought her out here, because he didn't want to be bothered. She is underfoot when he cooks. He's like, he's a good cook. You are not such a good cook, Mom, but that man could cook, and it's true. He can cook very well. All right, last one. So there are my tags. Next, I'm going to do a card, and we are on our way into this kit. So I know I did a couple of cards in a row, but that's because I wanted to. We use tags, idea of tags. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So maybe giving you guys some ideas on how to go farther, make your kit go farther, make more tags. I need a lot of tags. I need some more room. Anybody got any storage facility I can use right now? Oh, this room is getting so crowded. Guys, I have to turn sideways and do a side shimmy to get out of my room. Yes, we need to make space because we've got, everything is just getting like set right there, and I need to move it, and I don't like things piled up near the heater because we don't want, you know, a fire or anything to happen out here. But it's that time of year again. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you like what I've come up with. Give you guys some ideas to make your kit go farther. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye bye for now, everyone.